Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you if your iPhone is showing data over 0 MB left, a recharge now message on your home screen at the top of your screen. Don't worry, this message usually appear when your mobile data is finished on your carrier and your mobile network provider send data alert. But the problem is sometimes the message stay even after checking everything. In this video I will show you 3 quick way to remove this message from your iPhone. First, you need to open your phone settings like this. In the phone settings, go to mobile services and simply you need to turn off your mobile data like this. Now wait for 10 to 15 seconds and turn it on back again. This refreshes the network connection and it will remove your data alert notification from your home screen. Still the message is showing there. Now you can try the next method. Now you need to turn on airplane mode on your iPhone. Okay, wait for 10 to 15 seconds, same, and then turn it off back. Still the problem is same. Now you need to restart your phone. After restarting, the message should be gone now. Important tip this guys, remember if your daily data is actually finished, the message may appear again and again until you recharge your data plan. Simple thing is this guys, you need to open your official app of your network, which network you're using, Airtel, Jio or Vodafone. Open it and from here you can easily able to check your data plan and active plan. Okay, after recharging it will 100% disappear the message from your home screen. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Techify for more quick tech fixes. See you in the next one.